Hello friends and welcome to Edupedia World Videos. This is the course Basics of Programming in C language, and in this particular video we will be learning the break statement. So break statement is a loop control statement inside C language, and what does it do is that it will help you to terminate a loop whether or not the main loop condition is true or false. Okay, so irrespective of the main loop condition, it will help you to terminate a loop. Suppose in between you want to terminate the loop. So this can be when you want to terminate the loop based on some other secondary condition. So let us see the syntax of the break statement. First let me include a new project. I will start a new project for this. So console application, and the language should be C. The name of the project you can write it as break statement. Okay, so leave the all rest of the options to default and press finish. So here is the main function that is there. So I will remove the default hello world line, and I will also remove the stdlib.h included header file. So we only need one standard input output.h header file which contains the printf and scanf functions, and this is the definition of our main function, which always returns an integer. So in C language, a main function has always to return an integer to the operating system. So that is done over here using the return 0 statement. Okay, so now the syntax of the break function. Let us assume that we are using a while loop. Okay, so the while keyword and then the condition of the loop, whatever the condition is, say that number is less than 100. Okay, and here inside the while loop we have our another condition. So let us say that that number is input, which is another variable input. So if that input variable is 99, double equal to operator is for comparing whether two values on the LHS and the RHS are equal or not. So this is the operator, relational operator, to compare whether two numbers are equal or not. Okay, whereas single equal to is an assignment operator. So never write an assignment operator inside the condition. It will always cause the condition to be true, and you will never, means it will be very difficult for you to debug the program because this mistake is difficult to see. So always remember that inside the conditions the relational operator is double equal to, whereas the assignment operator, when you have to assign the value of some variable to some other variable or assign a constant to a variable, the operator is single equal to. Okay, so double equal to means comparison. So if input is equal to 99, in that case what we will do is we will break out of this loop. So this is the simple syntax of break statement. When you write the break statement and put a semicolon after that, this means that it will break out of the loop. And we will also write a printf statement over here to tell that okay, we are breaking out of the loop. Okay, let us write breaking out of the loop. Okay, so in other cases what we will print out is we will just print out your number, whatever the number is. So the printf statement has a syntax that first you give the constant string which includes the format specifiers. So if you have to print any variables, you have to specify the data type of the variable, and data type is given by the format specifier. So here we are printing the integer variable. The data type of integer variable is int, and that has a format specifier %d. So to learn more about the format specifiers, what you can do is you can watch another video of ours which is titled the console input and output statements. There you will learn the format specifiers. Okay, and you can also give an escape sequence \n, which is for new line. Okay, so a new line will be printed after the number, and here your number will be printed. Okay, and in the next line you can also increment the number. So double plus or plus plus is the increment operator, which is equivalent to number is equal to number plus 1. Okay, done. So now we will also have to declare these variables that we have taken. So both are integers, number equal to 0, let us initialize it to 0, and then int input, which is also equal to 0, so initialize it to 0 also. Okay, now what we will do is we will take the input as an input from the user from console. Okay, so for that, in the while loop, so we will take this input repetitively from the user, and we will ask him, do you want to exit the loop? If he says, if he wants to exit the loop, then he will have to enter 99. Okay, so we will say printf enter 99 to exit the loop. Okay, and give a colon after that, so that the user comes to know, okay, I have to enter something. Then you have to include the scanf statement, and inside this scanf statement, first thing that you have to give is the format specifier of the type of variable that you have to read from the console. So right now we have to read a number from the console which is of integer data type, and the format specifier is %d. Then comes the name of the variable, which is input, but not as it is. You have to give the address of input. Okay, ampersand is the address of operator inside C language. So it tells the compiler, okay, that this particular value which you have just taken as an input from the console has to be stored at this particular memory address. Okay, so that done. Now our program is almost ready for execution. Let us try and save it and build it first. Let us see. Okay, we have done a little mistake. We have forgotten a semicolon over here, and there is no other error. So save it again and build it. It should compile successfully now. Okay, yes, it has compiled with 0 errors and 0 warnings. So let us try and execute the code. So let my antivirus finish execution first. Okay, let me execute the code again. Okay, here now it is asking enter 99 to exit the loop, but if I enter some other value, say 5, it is again saying enter 99 to exit the loop. So I will keep on entering some random values. Okay, till I keep on entering some random values, it will continue the loop as it is up till 100. Okay, till I not enter 99, it will continue the loop. As soon as I enter 99, it will print breaking out of the loop, and then process has exited. Okay, so that was a basic tutorial on how to use the break statement inside the loop. So break statement you will need to use inside your loops a lot of times when in practical scenarios you will need to break the loop depending on certain other conditions. Okay, apart from the main loop condition, if you want to break the loop depending on some other conditions, in that case what you use is the break statement. Okay, so we will do certain more practical exercises and certain more relevant exercises that will tell you what break statement actually does in the coming videos. So thanks for watching this particular video, and keep on watching the course Basics of Programming in C language. Thank you.